Hello, good morning, my dear friends. I welcome you all to this YouTube video channel, Learn English Words Daily. Dear friends, before we go through the entire content of this video, I request you people to read the disclaimer completely till the end and then proceed further. Dear friends, today in this lesson 25, let us learn 5 confusing English words. And those words are assure, ensure, insure, reassure, and cocksure. Dear friends, if a person has to gain an excellent command over English language, in addition to grammar skills, he or she need to learn and remember as many powerful confusing English words as possible. Dear friends, without delaying much of our time, let us study each of these 5 words in detail and find out how each of these words are different from each other. Before that, dear friends, please subscribe to this channel. In order to subscribe, please click on the subscription option provided here on the right side corner of this video. Dear friends, the first word of today's lesson is assure. A-S-S-U-R-E. Meaning or synonyms of the word assure are promise, persuade, guarantee. The sentence 1 describes as to how this word assure can be used. I assure all the parents that their children are safe in the classroom. Another sentence is, your parents are perfectly safe, I can assure you. Opposite words or antonyms of the word assure are trouble, distress, discourage. Dear friends, now when you have made an attempt to learn the word assure, which is a powerful English word, you have learned 3 powerful English words which are giving similar meanings and another 3 powerful English words which are giving opposite meanings. Also, you have learned 2 sentences as to how this word can be used. This comprehensive methodology will definitely going to help an English learner to learn and remember as many powerful English words as possible. Moving over to the second word of this lesson. The word is ensure. E-N-S-U-R-E. Meanings of the word or synonyms of the word ensure are vouch, certify, pledge, attest. Different sentences which can be framed by using the word ensure or take bath daily to ensure personal hygiene. Sentence 2. These regulations should ensure better treatment of all refugees. Opposite words or antonyms of the word ensure are undermine, weaken. Dear English learners, now while learning this word ensure, you have learnt the words which are giving similar meanings, you have learnt the sentences, and also you have learnt the words which are giving opposite meanings. That means now you have gained confidence as to how the word ensure is used in our day-to-day lives. Also, now you can clearly make out the difference between the first word, that is assure, and the second word ensure. Dear friends, let's move over to word 3 of this lesson. The word is insure. I-N-S-U-R-E. Meanings or synonyms of the word insure are protect, safeguard, secure. Sentence 1 and sentence 2 describe as to how this word insure is used. Sentence 1. It has been advised to insure your life against accident. Sentence 2. Thoroughly check the work you are doing to ensure that it is accurate. Opposite words or antonyms of the word insure are unsecure, unprotect, enfeeble. Dear friends, while learning this word insure, which is a powerful English word, you have learnt totally 6 other powerful English words, and also framing of 2 sentences by using the word ensure. That means you have adopted a comprehensive methodology of learning and remembering the word ensure. Fourth word of this lesson is reassure. R-E-A-S-S-U-R-E. The first word we studied is assure, and now we have reassure. Meanings or synonyms of the word reassure are boost, uplift, comfort, assuage. Sentence 1 describes as to how the word reassure can be used. The president addressed the nation to reassure the people against economic recession. Another sentence, I tried to reassure her by saying, nothing to worry, the situation is normal. Opposite words are antonyms of the word reassure or trouble, discourage, torture. Dear English learners, this detailed methodology of understanding other meanings of the word, understanding as to how the sentences can be framed, and also knowing the opposite meanings of the powerful word, it's very easy to remember and also to learn as many powerful English words as possible. The fifth and last word of this lesson is cocksure. C-O-C-K-S-U-R-E. Meanings or synonyms of the word cocksure are overconfident, arrogant, vainglorious. Sentence 1 describes as to how the word cocksure can be used. Don't be so cocksure that he will succeed. Another sentence, she sounds confident but not cocksure. Opposite words are antonyms of the word cocksure are polite, humble, modest. Dear friends, by adapting this methodology or this detailed methodology of understanding the meanings, framing different sentences, understanding the opposite meanings of the powerful words, we will be in a position to learn and remember as many powerful English words as possible in a very easy manner. My dear friends, now it is very much clear to you that by spending 12 to 15 minutes on daily basis, you will be in a position to learn and practice at least 5 powerful English words. If you learn more English words, then only gaining command over English language will become easy for an English learner. My dear friends, I hope the content of this video is more useful to you. If so, please give a like to this video and put your comments in the description box below. Kindly share this video with your friends and other people who are interested to learn and remember as many powerful English words as possible. Dear friends, please subscribe to this channel. In order to subscribe, click on the subscription option provided here on the right side corner of this video. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow with another list of powerful, confusing English words on this channel. Learn English words daily.